How to check or download Lloyds bank statements. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to view or check and download your Lloyds bank statements, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into your banking account. After that, you need to choose the account you want to see. Once you have selected your account, tap on the three-dot menu and then after select download or print statement to save or print it, and to get paper copies you need to select the order paper statements option and you'll be done. Now for the internet banking, you need to go ahead, log into your account and select statement options from your account page, then choose to print, download or order a paper copy. Paper copies will take up to 10 business days to arrive. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.